Bet you got the Mets series.
Young cracks into deep right field. Back goes Johnson near the wall. It's out of here! Eric Young wins the game with his first home run as a New York Met. A walk-off two-run homer in the bottom of the 11th, and the Mets win it 4-2. The first walk-off hit of Eric Young's career. It's a two-run homer, and the Mets win it to snap the Royals' 9-game winning streak.
Well, no need for replay on that home run shot by Eric Young. Carlos Torres with a great effort gets the win. And you don't mind playing these long games as long as you're high-fiving at the end.
The Mets' third walk-off home run of the season. Kirk Neuenhuis, Jordani Valdespin, and now Eric Young with the blow in the bottom of the 11th with 2 out to win it for New York.
Fastball down, right down the middle, and he turned on it. Line drive, ball game over.
On a night when the Mets lost David Wright to injury, on a night when they had to use a starting pitcher as a pinch runner and another as a relief pitcher, the Mets find a way to win. The leadoff hitter, Eric Young, his second homer of the year, his first as a Met, and let the celebration ensue.